Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the eye color in Photoshop. Here I already have one image ready, so I have to change the eye color. So first what you need to do is you have to do the selection of the eyeball what you want to change the color. So go to the quick selection tool and then make a selection of your eyeball only, and here you can see that some extra part has been selected also. So zoom in. To zoom in, press the Ctrl and plus key from the keyboard and make a zoom in. To zoom out, Ctrl and minus key. Now hold your Alt button or Alt key from the keyboard and then remove the extra part by clicking. Okay, from top also we have to remove this part, so hold the Alt key and clicking the upper part will remove the selection. Okay, now you have a perfect selection. Here I made a perfect selection of the eyeball. Now I go to my layer and I do the duplicate of this layer, so by Ctrl plus J. By doing this I have only the another layer with only the selected items. So you can see that I only have the eyeball here now. Okay, now go to the icon here and then do the hue and saturation. When you click on hue and saturation, you will have the different layer opened, and here you need to change the hue. Before you change the hue, don't forget to click on this icon to make a clip on this new layer. When you make a clip on this new layer, it will only change on this layer, not the whole background layer. So now let's change the hue value. Yeah, when I start making the sliding the hue, you can see the eyeball is changing into the different color, the color which I have already chosen. The same you can make the saturation, depends on how much you want. And leave the lightness as it is. Okay, now see the difference between the previous eye color and the new eye color. When you click on this icon, the layer visibility icon, make it invisible. This is the old eye color and this is the new eye color. See the difference? Yeah, this is how you change your eye color in the Photoshop. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.